Meaning of dullard.
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 Dullard. Dullard is a noun that refers to a person who is slow to learn or understand things, lacking intelligence or creativity, and generally uninteresting. It is a derogatory term used to describe someone who appears to lack mental capacity or is lacking in the ability to think critically or creatively. A dullard is often seen as boring, unengaging, and uninspiring, with limited potential for growth. This term is considered offensive and disrespectful to individuals who may have learning or cognitive disabilities, and should be avoided in polite conversation.